We keep you up here every week. One of the greatest records I think that has ever been recorded, period, is your version of Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. Would you honor us with it?
Thank you, yes.
Mr. Willie Nelson, ladies and gentlemen.
In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. And when we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, and only memories remain. And through the ages, I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain.
Play your guitar, Will.
Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again in a land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain.
Don't get any better than that. That's great. I love you.